The head of a worker bee is a complex structure in which the brain is protected by a chitinized capsule, and on its surface are located the eyes, antennae, and mouthparts. The bee's head has a triangular shape and is a solid, sturdy, chitinized capsule. It is flattened from front to back, and the mouth and jaws are directed downward. Inside the head is concentrated the main part of the bee's central nervous system, the brain. On the head capsule, surfaces separated by sutures are distinguished. The front, facial, the top, vertex, and the back, occipital. The epicranial suture divides the vertex into right and left halves. On the vertex, on both sides of the suture, are located two simple eyes, and the third eye is located on the line of the epicranial suture. On the sides of the head are situated two compound, faceted eyes. Below, on the facial surface, the epicranial suture branches into two, forming a triangular field, the frons. From the base of the frons extends a pair of movable segmented antennae. The antenna consists of three main parts: the basal segment, scape, the small pedicel segment, and the long flagellum. In its lower part, the frons is bounded by the horizontal epistemal suture. Below this suture lies a rectangular plate, the clypeus. The upper lip is attached to the clypeus. On the sides of the bee's face are the cheeks, which curve toward the base of the head. The internal skeleton of the head provides the necessary stability and rigidity to the lower part of the head capsule, where the mouthparts are located. The strengthening of the head is related to the fact that the bee collects food, liquid and solid, with its mouthparts, while the lower jaws and labium process it. At the same time, the internal head skeleton serves as a support for the muscles that raise and lower the head, as well as for the muscles of the mouthparts and other head organs. In the occipital part of the head, there is an occipital foramen through which the head connects to the thorax. Below the occipital foramen is the proboscis notch, where the bases of the lower jaws and the labium are fixed. The proboscis folds into the proboscis notch when it is not in use. On the posterior occipital area are located two occipital muscles, which ensure the connection of the head and thorax.